Whether Derrick Lewis likes it or not, Sergei Pavlovich will go down as the winner Saturday at UFC 277. In the early seconds of their UFC 277 main card bout, Pavlovich, 16-1 MMA, 4-1 UFC, stunned Lewis, 26-10 MMA, 17-8 UFC, with a series of punches. He got the stoppage from referee Dan Miragliotta at the 0:55 mark, much to the dismay of Lewis and his home state fans. Pavlovich drilled Lewis in the head with a series of stunning punches. Lewis retreated while Pavlovich chased him down and continued his barrage. Miragliotta dove in after a sequence in which Lewis landed face down on the canvas. But immediately after Miragliotta stepped in, Lewis protested. Upon the official decision, the Dallas crowd at American Airlines Center didn't like it, so much so they drowned out Pavlovich's post-fight interview. With the victory, Pavlovich extended his winning streak to 4 to go with wins in that stretch over Marcelo Golm, Maurice Greene, and Shamil Abdurakhimov. Lewis struggles to get into the win column continue. He now has lost 3 of his most recent 4, including back-to-back TKOs to Tai Tuivasa and Pavlovich. Up to the minute UFC 277 results include Sergei Pavlovich def. Derrick Lewis via TKO, punches, round 1, 0:55 Alexander Pantoja def. Alex Perez via submission, rear naked choke, round 1, 1:31 Maddened Ankalaev def. Anthony Smith via TKO, punches, round 2, 3:09 Alex Morono def. Matthew Semelsberger via unanimous decision, 29-28, 29-28, 30-27 Drew Dober def. Rafael Alves via knockout, body punch, round 3, 1:30 Hamdi Abdelwahab vs Don'Tale Mayes via split decision, 29-28, 28-29, 29-28 Drakkar Klose def. Rafa Garcia via unanimous decision, 29-28, 29-28, 29-28 Michael Morales def. Adam Fugitt via TKO, punches, round 3, 1:09 Jocelyn Edwards def. Yeon Kim via split decision, 29-28, 28-29, 30-27 Nicolae Negumereanu def. Ihor Potieria via TKO, knees, punches, round 2, 3:33 Orion Cosce def. Blood Diamond via unanimous decision, 29-28, 29-28, 29-28,